Let's explore various methods to upload audio to YouTube and discuss the best tools and apps for the job. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications on my future uploads. You're here because you have an audio file you want to upload to YouTube. By the time you are done watching this video, you will be equipped to upload your audio to YouTube. YouTube is not just limited to uploading videos. It also offers a platform for sharing audio content. Whether you want to upload your music, podcast, or any other audio file, YouTube provides a convenient way to reach a wide audience. In this tutorial, we will explore various methods to upload audio to YouTube, so let's get started. As the world's largest online video sharing platform, a variety of wonderful videos are uploaded to YouTube every day. But if we want to upload our own recordings, music, songs, YouTube will remind us that such files cannot be uploaded. This is because YouTube does not support direct uploading of audio files such as MP3 and WAV. So how can you upload an audio file to YouTube? The solution is to convert the audio file into a YouTube-supported video file and then upload it, so that you can upload your favorite audio file to YouTube. Here we introduce 3 ways to convert audio files into video. Option 1. Convert audio to video via video editing software. One way to upload audio to YouTube is by converting your audio file into a video format. To do this, you can use video editing software such as iMovie for Mac users or Movie Maker for Windows users. In my case, I will be using Magix's Vegas Pro. Don't you worry because the steps are pretty much similar for all these softwares. Follow these steps. The first step is to download your video editing software, which you can easily find on the internet and install. Step 2. Open your preferred video editing software. Step 3. Import your audio file into the project. Add a background image or video to accompany your audio. Export or render the project as a video file in a suitable format like MP4 or WMV. Remember to select the video save path and you can export video. Now, you can upload the video file to your YouTube channel. Let's proceed to the second option on how to upload your audio file to YouTube. But before that, let me know in the comments the audio you wish to upload if you understood the first option we just discussed and your preferred video editing software. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications on my future uploads. Without further ado, let's proceed to the second option. Option 2. Convert audio through online audio to video converters. In addition to software, there are a number of online tools that can also convert audio and video. If you don't have access to video editing software, you can use online audio to video converters. These web-based tools allow you to combine your audio file with a background image or template and convert it into a video format supported by YouTube. There are many such tools. But sometimes the disadvantage is that there are general restrictions on file size and certain requirements. Some popular converters include Tovid and TunaToTube. Here's how to use them. The first step is to visit your preferred audio to video converter website. Upload your audio file and select a background image or template. Choose the desired video format MP4, WMV, etc. and adjust any additional settings. Convert the audio file to video format. Once the conversion is complete, download the video file and proceed to upload it to YouTube. Do you find this video helpful so far? Are you getting the answers on how to upload your audio file to YouTube? Did you understand the first and the second options we just discussed? And which web-based tool are you using to convert your audio file to a video? Let us know in the comments below. Have you liked this video? Now, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so we can proceed with this next option. Option 3. Convert audio and video through mobile apps. In addition, if your audio is on your phone, you can also use mobile applications to convert it. Many apps are available for converting audio and video files directly on your mobile devices. Whether you use an iPhone or an Android device, you can find suitable apps to convert your audio into video format. Some popular options include iMovie for iPhone and Audio to Video Converter for Android. Let's look at the general step-by-step process. Install the video editing app on your device. Import your audio file and choose a background image or video. Customize the video by adding effects, subtitles, or other elements. Export the final product as a video file in the appropriate format. Proceed to upload the video file to your YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Here is a quick bonus. Let's talk about how to upload your video. Once you have converted your audio file into a video file, it's time to upload it to your YouTube channel. Here's a quick guide. Sign into your YouTube account or create one if you don't have it already. Click on the upload button located at the top right corner of the YouTube homepage. Select the video file you want to upload from your computer or mobile device. Add a title, description, and relevant tags to optimize your video's visibility. Choose whether you want to make the video public, private, or unlisted. Click the Publish button and your audio-turned-video will be uploaded to your YouTube channel. View, manage, and search your uploads. Once your audio is uploaded to YouTube, you can manage and organize your content. YouTube provides several features to help you navigate your uploads effectively. Access your YouTube Studio dashboard to view all your uploaded videos. Use the search bar within your YouTube account to find specific videos. Create playlists to group related videos together for easy navigation. Enable or disable comments, likes, and other engagement options for your videos. Best audio and video apps for YouTube. When it comes to audio and video editing apps, there are numerous options available. Some popular choices include iMovie for Mac users, Movie Maker for Windows users, and apps like Audio to Video Converter, InShot, and KineMaster for mobile devices. These apps offer intuitive interfaces, a wide range of audio and video formats, and various editing features to enhance your content. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment to let me know if you understood or happen to have any question. See you next time. In the meantime, keep creating.